first thing we are going to be saying is how to add contacts inside of Mailchimp. And contacts are actually the basic thing that you can find in any email marketing platform, because if there are no contacts or if there are no subscribers, there is nobody who you'll be sending campaigns to. There is nobody who is going to be getting automated sequences and all of that. So now to add a account in Mailchimp, when you click on add account, it is going to take you to the place where you can be able to add accounts from your Wix account, or you can add from, or you can import from another platform if you want, or you can just copy and paste, or you can upload a file if you want. So when you go back in here and you click on add account, you can import contacts, or you can even add in a single contact if you want. If you are adding in a single contact, all you need to do is just to come over here, and you can also scan this QR code, which is going to allow you to be able to add contacts from Mailchimp mobile app. They have a mobile app that you can be able to use on your phone, and when you download that app, you can be able to add contacts into Mailchimp from your phone. So now when we add in the email address for this particular contact, we can also add in the name, we can add in the last name. If the contact also have the address, you can also add in the address, you can add in the birthday, and you can also add the company, and you can add the tags if you want. And we're going to be seeing how to create tags in a minute. So when you are done with all of this, you have to tick this checkbox to be able to tell Mailchimp that this person is, oh, you are telling Mailchimp that if this person is already in your audience, they just need to update this profile. And when you click on add account, that is going to add, oh yeah, and you also need to set up the permission so that you can be able to let Mailchimp know that this person gave us the permission to add them to our email list and to email them. So we are going to check this, and when we go back to create account, it said is already added. So when we click on view profile, so the contact has already been added, and when we click on view profile, as you can see, we can be able to see our contact in here, and we can send a message to this contact. We can do all of these actions with this contact. We can also decide to remove the contact, or we can decide to unsubscribe this contact if we want. But imagine you have 100 contacts and you want to bring all of those 100 contacts into Mailchimp. This process cannot be done. You cannot start doing them one by one, and that is where import contacts comes in. And when you go back into all of your contacts in here, and when you click on add contact, you are going to go into the option where you can be able to import a contact. Import your contact. So since we are not using Wix or any other platform, we want to upload from a file. Okay, so I have this file in here where I can be, as you can see, we have this dummy list which we can bring into Mailchimp, and we have the different column and rows. We have the column for the first name up until service interest. We have the estimated due value, we have the lead source, we have the webinar attended, whether it is yes or no. So if you are going to be importing this file into Mailchimp, there is one thing you need to note. You need to make sure that all of these fields has already been created inside of Mailchimp, because if these fields are not created inside of Mailchimp, you will not be able to import all of these contacts into Mailchimp. So you have to make sure that you've created all of these individual fields inside of Mailchimp. So that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Now, if you are currently moving from one email marketing platform to another one, and you're trying to decide whether switching platform makes sense for your business, we can also help you with that. At CRM Instructors, we help businesses to migrate from platforms like ConvertKit, Mailchimp, Brevo, MailerLite, and other email marketing software out there, while making sure your contact automations, forms, and campaigns are properly built without creating chaos. So if migration is something you are considering, you will find a link in the description below. And if this tutorial has helped you, do not also forget to subscribe, because we create practical implementation tutorials like this every week. Do not forget to subscribe, and also like this video, and also share with everyone that you think is going to need this video. And also, we have a target of reaching 1,000 subscribers by the middle of this year, and you can actually help us make that happen. So subscribe to this video, and also share with everyone that you think is going to need this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.